In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect and, if needed, completely remove an account from QuickBooks Online. This guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, so let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. Once there, navigate over to the QuickBooks Online website by typing QuickBooksIntuit.com into your address bar and hitting enter. On the home page, you'll notice the option to sign in, so go ahead and log in with your credentials. This action is going to bring you straight to your QuickBooks dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled either banking or transactions depending on your account setup. Click this to view the accounts you have linked. Here, you'll want to select the specific account you wish to remove. This will highlight the account, showing it prominently on your screen, making it easier to spot and manage. The next step involves editing the account settings, which is quite straightforward. Look towards the top right of the account box. You'll see a small pencil icon or an edit option. Click on it. This action will take you to the edit account window, where you can see various connection details related to that particular account. If your goal is to disconnect the account, there will be an option labeled disconnect this account on save or something similar. Check this option to ensure that your account disconnects properly. After you've made sure everything looks good, proceed by clicking save and close. This will effectively disconnect the account from your QuickBooks Online setup, allowing you to no longer see this connection affecting your records. For those of you who wish to go a step further and remove the account entirely from QuickBooks, there's an extra step involved. Starting from the main dashboard, once again, direct yourself to the left menu, but this time select Accounting. Once you've landed on this page, choose Chart of Accounts. This will display a list of all the accounts you have within QuickBooks. Find the account you wish to remove, then click on the option to view Register. This is where you'll find account history. In here, you'll have the option to either delete or make the account inactive. Choose the appropriate option that suits your needs and confirm your choice by clicking Yes. This confirmation is important as it finalizes the removal of the account from QuickBooks Online, ensuring that it won't appear in your records going forward. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully disconnected and, if chosen, entirely removed an account from your QuickBooks Online. Whether you're tidying up your finance software or simply making changes to your company's banking setup, these steps should help make the process a bit smoother. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for further assistance.